Hi, welcome back to my channel, Goddamn KB. Like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram. So I'm starting a new playlist for kids, which is science experiments. Today we're going to be making slime. So I'm using a half a cup of Elmer's glue. I'm adding a tiny bit of water to thin out the glue. You do not have to do this unless you want to. It's up to you. Try out different things to see what kind of slime you want to make. So after I mix all of those things together, I'm going to pick out what color I want. My favorite color is teal, so I'm going to pick teal. If you want to make teal like me, just put 3 drops of green and 5 drops of blue, and that will make the perfect teal color. If you want any other colors, comment below and I'll let you know, or you can simply Google it. So right now, I'm mixing up the blue and the green together, and you'll see the color change. So once you get your color together, you're going to add the shaving cream. The shaving cream makes the slime fluffy and really stretchy, which is fun. So the shaving cream that I'm going to end up using has blue dye in it. So if you want to make like a pink color, don't use the shaving cream. And make sure you check and see for shaving cream that doesn't have blue dye in it. Okay, so now you see the colors coming together. I'm just going to scrape the edges of the bowl to make sure it's mixed in properly. Alright, good job. So, here's the shaving cream I was talking about. So this has the blue in it, which works out perfectly for me because I'm making teal slime, which has blue in it anyway. So I added about a 1/4 cup of shaving cream. You can add more if you want, or even less. It's up to you. That is the gain or tight. Alright, so I'm mixing the shaving cream into the glue and it will start to foam up. Alright, so here's the Tide. We're going to add a tiny bit of Tide, stir it into the mixture, and then we're going to add a little bit more and stir it into the mixture until you start to see the slime form. So there's a little bit more, mix, a little bit more, mix. So it's going to get a little sticky, and your hands are definitely going to get dirty, so prepare for that. At this point, I'm going to pick up the slime, and we're going to knead all the ingredients into the slime. So as I'm kneading the slime with my hands, I'm going to add a tiny bit more of Tide so it won't be as sticky and more stretchy. So we're just going to knead it, massage the Tide into the slime. At this point, is your slime starting to come together? Comment down below. So at this point in the video, I want to really thank everyone for joining me in making slime. And I hope if you're making it with your child that your child's enjoying it. So we're going to just stretch our slime out, enjoy playing with it. And then you can wrap it up in plastic wrap It won't stick. You can use like a plastic container with a lid. Just make sure you cover it up. And over the days or weeks, you can add a little lotion to make the slime soft and have a scent to it. It's up to you. So if you have any questions at all, comment below. And please like this video and join me next time on my next experiment.